This beautifully presented 4-bedroom family home has the added bonus of a 1-bedroom self-contained studio, perfect for those seeking either teenage retreat or in-law accommodation. Welcome to 14 Captain Arthur Phillip Drive in Terrigal.